As you can see, we are going to do some slides called I Can Subtract. Let's read the directions. You have 3 subtraction equations on each slide. Move the x's needed to complete the subtraction problem. Type the answers. Let's do a couple of samples together. I know when I subtract, I always start with the largest number. You can see with this 13, I have 13 black circles down here. 10, 11, 12, 13. I can also see that I want to take away 7. So I'm going to move down here and I'm going to grab an X and I'm going to start Xing out 7 circles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know my answer or my difference is going to be how many I have left. So I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I click in this box, I highlight the question mark, and I simply type my answer, 6. Let's try another one. Here I have 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to take away 8, so I'm going to grab my X's and I'm going to get rid of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm clicking and dragging on the X's. I'm now going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I click on my question mark, I highlight it, I type in my answer of 8. We'll do one more together. 10, sure enough, large number. There's my 10 down there. I need to get rid or subtract 4. Here I go. Click and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to click, highlight, and type my answer. I believe you have about 6 slides to complete, so use your X's as you complete your slides.